The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday, non-farm payrolls day. For those of you that celebrate, hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's ready for a great day. As we probably are in for a little bit of a wild morning. Not that the trading hasn't been wild altogether over the last few days. Let's take a gander here. Now, overnight, we have definitely settled down. That usually happens on non-farm payroll days. High was the first candle, 41.77, dipped down to 41.52. So about 25 points of range on the ES. Up yesterday, we hit a high of 42.08, which, yeah, it's just amazing. If you look at a daily chart here, you can see here the kind of double topped with September 13th. Now we're just kind of hanging here. Copper, about 100 ticks of range. Gold, 9 points of range. Sorry, I was having to do math. Almost exactly 1 point of range there on the Ultra Bond as it's been coming down. Crude oil, about a little over a point in range. Oh, we just made a new high for the day there on natural gas. About 88 ticks of range. So, let's see here. Bitcoin, about 23.5. That's where we sit or stand. Y'all can hear me, right? Unusual for no one to say anything. Forgot to bring my stream up on my phone as my backup. So we are coming down now. Yeah, there we go. Good morning, I'm mad. Oh, no, you're fine, Jessica. I just, whenever there's been a couple mornings where my software wasn't working and nobody was hearing me. And then nobody was telling me they weren't hearing me. And I went for like 10 minutes before someone's phone. I said, hey, is there no volume? So I was just making sure. No, I'm not down. I just forgot to change the thing from yesterday. I have to do that manually, and I tend to forget. There we go. Thank you for pointing that out, Script Trader, and hope you're having a good day. Okay, phone's set up. Oh no, I could do the same routine every morning. I don't know how some mornings I get behind and some mornings I don't. I don't know. Yeah, gold. Yeah, gold has been absolutely insane. Gold rose up Wednesday after FOMC, kept rising through Europe yesterday, got up to 1975, and then crashed. I'm talking head on, flip the car 20 times and explode type of crash. And we're gotten all the way down to back down to 1920, so over 50-point drop. And that music on the countdown or whatever, that's just something free from YouTube's library. Hey, Mr. G, haven't seen you in a couple days. How you doing? Oh, technically, this was a trigger. I got my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why. Morning, Gardner. So for news today, of course, we do have non-farm payrolls, 8:30. Then we have S&P Services, PMI, not uh, 9:45, and ISM Services, PMI at 10. Awesome, Gardner. The earth is a-quaking. The earth began to shake and quake and quake. Well, everybody has their thing, Gardner. If that's your thing, that'd be great for you. One day I might dabble in options once I have money to burn. To learn, but right now futures is my thing. So just kind of stagnant here, 41.64. So I finished my breakfast before the stream. I didn't get my supplements taken, so I'm going to do that real quick. So I'm going to mute here just for 1 minute. I'm going to mute here and not become a mutant. Although maybe that'll do that too. I'm back. And I didn't turn into a mutant. At least not yet. So, non-farm payrolls, less than an hour away. It's been a wild, wild week, which is what I said it was going to happen. And I didn't say anything particular was going to happen, just that we were going to be wild. Wild! Morning, Deb. Good to see you. Hope you're having a great day. My beats. I forgot my binario beats. There we go. Okay. So we wait. Actually, I missed this trigger candle here. I should have taken it. It's going to go 2. I bet you it's going to go 2. Remember, though, we're usually slow leading up to non-farm payrolls. Very slow. That would have given me 2 points, though. Yes, it would have. You think we're coming down, G? Down, 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 down? I mean, yesterday was a crazy ride. If we turn back time, you know, we rose up. And then, I mean, we got up to that 42.08 and then fell 50 points. I think it was 50, something like that. Or 40. No, 50, I'm right. 50 points. Then we rose back up 40 points. And we fell again. That same a little bit more than 40 points. It was just wild. Absolutely wild. Morning, Zabak. Back, sorry about that. So it's rising up to 41.66. What's our high of the day? That's right. The high was the first candle. High Europe was 41.73. So we got up to 41.68 on this candle here. See if we get up there again. Which has been our high since we came down here before Europe. Mind you, folks, if you expect to enjoy today's stream, appreciate that thumbs up button. Helps the YouTube algorithm. Oh, there it is. Back. Okay, so it's above that candle. Just burst up to 41.68 half. We'll try to close out this week strong. We had a red day yesterday, but we had 3 green days. Monday through Wednesday. Up $340 total for the week. On this Blue Sky. Blue Sky Trading Company eval. Can it take us higher? Let's see here. Let's see, is the Ultra Bond awake yet? Boom. It's rising up too. Copper's sideways. Dow coming up too. Natural gas not awake. Of course, it's kind of been in a dozing for the last quite a while now. Agriculture overnight, soybeans down, then up, then down. But we just watch ES go without us. Bye. Don't forget to write. Continues to push up 41.69 quarter. So is this the rise before the fall? Just kind of continue to watch. Waiting for our opportunities. Look at the week as a whole. The week started off here. So We started off at 40.78. We dipped down 40.19, and we got to a high of 42.08. So for the week, we have. I'm sorry, we dipped down to 4,007. So for the week, it's over a 200-point range on the ES, which is wild. But par for the course for an FOMC week. Little dip there. Dip, 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 dip. So, what's everybody's weekend plans this weekend? This chilly February day? It's 8 degrees here right now. -9 with the wind chill. But by Monday they want it 52. Pulling down. That sounds warm. I don't know how warm that is, but it's warm. I don't have the, let's see, Celsius to Fahrenheit. 26. Yeah, yeah, that's pretty nice. About 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Not, I like weather like that. I hate it when it's too hot. I mean, I prefer to be cold than hot. So I definitely hate it when it's too hot. When you're cold, you can almost always put on more layers. There's only so many layers you can take off. Comes down. Yep. So it gets weird. Pop right back up here in ES. Bullish swing trade since yesterday on crude. Well, while we're not doing anything exciting here, let's go check out crude. On the time frames that Mr. G mentioned. So this is the 1 hour. We dipped, tried to come up once, dipped again. That would have been a great entry right there. And here it also came up and got smacked back down. 4 hour chart. I got what? Yep, I see that. We're close. Did pop up, got beaten back down. Let's try to pop up again. It's sniffing that 20 EMA on the 1 hour. So we'll keep an eye on that. Daily chart. And it is making higher lows. You see here we dipped down to the 70. Here it dipped down to 72. So it's trying to make some higher lows there as well. We'll keep an eye on that, see where it goes. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Yes, up, down. I mean, sorry, up, down, up, down. Let's see where it goes. Thank you, G. Thank you. Speaking of G's, G-Man has now been missing for a week and a half. Not sure where he's decided to get to. Reversal back up to 4170 here. Are we going to rise up till non-farm payrolls and then take a huge drop? Good morning, Dakota. Good to see you. Well, we just got up to 4170.75 as it continues to try to rise up here. We have 30 minutes. There's the top of the hour. 30 minutes to non-farm payrolls. 30 minutes. watching here. Awesome job, Jessica. Great way to start the weekend. Have a great weekend. Stay warm. We're popping up again after a little bit of a pullback. Not sure why I just had a southern accent. Anyway. So slow for now on this grind up. Chaos in less than 30. Mr. G posted a video on his channel on the FANG stocks and the broad market futures. If you want to go visit his channel and check it out, there's the link right there in the chatty chat. You're welcome, G. Get him some more subscribers. LGD. Yep, as long as it's water. Yeah, we're running into resistance here. We popped up to 4173, 4171, 4173, 4171. I had a feeling Amazon was going to start running into problems there. So we've seen this slow grind up. It's been our only opportunity. I mean, we did dip down here, came back up with a bullish engulfing, and it would have worked, but didn't tickle my fancy there. And I do like having my fancy tickled. That really sounded bad. Getting up to that 41.73 where it's topped out a couple times overnight. High today was the gap up at the open. You can see if we turn back time too far. You can see at the open we gapped up. We had closed at 41.64 and then gapped up and opened at 41.75. It quickly fell. So that's our high of the day though, 41.77.75. There we go. Leading into the big event. Non-farm payrolls. Excellent job, GED. Good morning, Trade Together. Very good to see you. Thank you for being here. Boom, 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 boom. Nice slow grind. The grind is slow. So there's one tick away from that 41.73. And there it goes. It's beautiful grind up. Beautiful. Hit 41.73.75 there. Pulled back just a tad real quick. Not much to talk about right now. Ultra bond market opens in 9 minutes. JC's late today. We'll have to dock him. Good morning, Glitch. I was, oh, I did? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I did, didn't I? I am so sorry. Good morning, JC. See, I notice when people are missing, or I think they're missing anyway. How's the trading been this week, JC? You haven't posted a whole bunch of, a whole lot the last couple of days of how it's been going. So is this the rise before the fall? NFP 16 short minutes of air. Yawning, yawning, yawning. You can tell it's Friday. Each day of the week it gets a little bit harder for me to wake up. Oh, green is good. Morning, John. I'm doing all right. How's it going for you today? Pulls back. 41.74 the high here. Also want to thank everyone that's checked out my video on NinjaTrader's money grab with allowing people to buy a funded account without ever doing an eval. It's the fastest any of my non-live videos ever got to 200 views. Well, it's at 195. It'll still be the fastest. Yeah. Well, yeah, I mean maybe, but I didn't want to title anything that could title it in any way that could get me sued. That's a good question, GED. We'll see. I don't know what non-farm payrolls is going to do to the market. What, the banner up the top? Huh. Really? Is the banner blurry for anybody else? He made that special the other day once we got the thing figured out, the deal and all, but it's clear for me. What's everyone think of that blue sky banner? Is it blurry or is it clear? Wow, I had volume on, hearing myself talk as I'm talking. Pool man? Well, thank you. I don't recognize your name. If you're new, welcome. Gardner. Hear the train coming. Thirty-one people here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Glad everyone's joining us this morning. Feel free to say hi in the chat. Questions, most comments, always welcome. Hey, Rollo, haven't seen you in a while. How's it been going? It's a banner. You want to know who has the most low budget looking banners in the business? Top Step. The cowboy traders die at high noon. They really need new ads. So a dip in here right before non-farm payrolls. Yeah, trade together. I'm staying flat until after non-farm payrolls. I mean, I do agree this could be a nice bounce point, but I'm just going to stay flat now until non-farm payrolls, which is coming up in just 8 minutes. Let me rephrase that. Until after non-farm payrolls, I am not going to try trade the news. Awesome. Well, I'm glad you decided to, chime in. I appreciate that. 42 ticks on natural gas. Nice, Hassan. Good morning. They say natural gas traders are insane. Oh, and we see a little bit more pop up on crude. Remember, Mr. G said he's in a swing position long on crude. Oh, yeah, look at that natural gas coming to life. Dakota going long on UB. Usually he waits until after news. Nice. I said after news, not afternoon. Uh, now see, actually, NQ there actually gave me a little trigger candle. Not taking it, but because I've not really been trading NQ. Yeah, I saw big news. Non-farm payrolls today. Now, if you're, I don't, natural gas doesn't usually, nice job, Dakota. Natural gas doesn't usually respond much to non-farm payrolls. Well, we can probably take a gander. Let's look at last month. Last month, non-farm payrolls happened on what day? The 6th. Let's take a gander. Yes, absolutely beautiful, Dakota. Oh, silver. Well, let's take a gander at silver then. I can look at anything you throw at me. Unless it's an ice exchange. Let's look at an hourly chart and go back to January 6th. Turn back time. Hey, I got to say it twice in one day. There we go. Oh, yeah. Silver really. Right there's a non-farm payroll. Wow, big move up last. Yeah. Wow. Wow, Hassan. Wow. Yes. Dip down. So we're dipping a bit, about 6 points down with 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes to go. Less than almost 4 minutes to go. Glad you did, Dakota. I always like hearing that you're getting a nice trade. Oh, we're back up to 41.71. Nice little pop back up to the EMA. Good morning, Kevin. Yep. Wild and crazy. Oh, being at work's no fun. And we're dipping down. Where are we gonna go? Let's look at the overall, the higher time frames. Been on this uptrend on the 5, uptrend on the 15. Bullish, I mean bearish engulfing on the 15 there. Got room to move either way on just about every time frame. "90 seconds. It's already getting jumpy. Yes, it is. Less than 1 minute to go till non-farm payrolls. Hang on to your seats. Unless you're standing. Yeah. 20 seconds. Boom up here right before. Doom, doom. Whoa! Yeah, that would not have been a good time to long. Holy crap, down 20 points. Almost down 30, bounced. 24 points now. Oh yeah, that's bad math. Yeah, it was 30. 40, 71 down to 41. Whoosh. New low a day. I think that was obvious, but I thought I'd say it anyway. Now might be a good time to long. We'll see. Let's check the numbers. Non-farm payrolls, actual 517K. The forecast was 188K. Oh my God, that's a big miss. 517K when the forecast was 188K. U.S. private payrolls, 443K. When the forecast was 190. Manufacturing payrolls, 19K versus a forecast of 7K. Sorry about that box in your way. And it was a good bounce opportunity there. I don't like to play bounces. It usually goes against me. Unemployment rate, 3.4%. Expected was 3.6%. And even average earnings year over year went up by was more than by 1%. All very, very strong news. So we dipped 24 points on ES. Let's see what the other stuff did because I'm not trading yet. Whoa. NQ, 104 points down. Ultra Bond. Wow. A point and a quarter. It's still falling. Copper. Huge down. Dow dip over 100 points. Natural gas couldn't care. See what silver did. Oh, whoa, yeah, we need to check gold too. We'll check silver because I'm not sure if Hassan got out or not. Uh, Silver dipped over $1,000 a contract, and look at gold. Wow, look at gold dipped all the way down to 1908. It's come back up by 10 points, but since yesterday, gold's now had a 70 plus point range. Ah, darn Hassan. Nice bounce here on ES, coming back up. Not wow, 47 ticks, JC. Excellent. Ah, man. Sorry to hear that, Hassan. ES has regained, well, it had regained almost half of it. Still about half, I guess. Oh yeah, didn't check what crude did. What did crude do? Crude, a little bit of a dip, not huge. So now we'll start looking for opportunities again here. Hopefully get a nice trade or two. The old news strat I used to do would have worked perfectly for that because it was like no blowback. Zabak, on their funded accounts, you have to be flat 5 minutes before to 5 minutes after the major news events: CPI, PPI, non-farm payrolls, and FOMC. Elite trader funding, Zabak, on their PA accounts or funded accounts. Yeah, 5 minutes is too long. I don't really complain much about the 1 minute. I mean, I think it's 1 minute's kind of stupid too. But people really shouldn't be playing the news on a playing the news anyway. But 5 minutes is way too long after you're missing. You're totally stripping opportunities away. I understand restricting the actual 1 minute around the 1 minute before, 1 minute after. But after that, you're just taking opportunities away. I like thin books. They're quick and easy to read. Ultra Bond's still falling. Let's look at it on this chart. Look at that. This is where we were when we started the stream, the yellow line. This candle is at the hourly candle down about 1 3/4 points. Gave back everything that it gained yesterday. Almost back to the start of FOMC. I'm in the process of planning a video. One annoying thing about each prop firm, and the news rule in ETF is ETF's annoying thing. Good morning, Ace. How is Ace today? What's that, Hassan? I am doing well. Yeah, I am. It's gonna be a video. I already have them all out. The only, it's weird. The only one I can't come up with an annoying thing for is trade day. I have one annoying thing about each one. I have Earn a Trade, Top Step, Elite Trader, Volanox, Blue Sky, Lulu, U Profit, Apex, One Up, Take Profit, and Tick Tick. But nothing for trade day. Yeah, expensive. Yeah, I was thinking about going with that. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for that feedback. But yeah, I'm really planning on trying to put out a lot more videos. I have literally a list here of like 20 plus about a whole bunch more in my mind. Ace jumps in and goes long. Yeah, I could go with that. Good idea, Pamela. It's annoying. I couldn't come up with anything for them for this video. They're too darn good. Going back to bed, Zabak? It's like Ace is already. I think Ace already has his 2 points. 41.66. Wow, that's a big target. That's more than 2 points, Ace. Not sure if you did that math or not. Hitting that EMA. Struggling at 41.54. Oh, going short on UV for Dakota at 22. Bearish and golfing here. Of course, our ATR is huge right now. It's plopping back up. Nice, Dakota. That was quick. Beautiful. 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 I don't want you to feel left out, Ace. Your trade was beautiful, too. Good morning, John. Yep. Another bounce down. Yeah, remember, this isn't our only news of the day. We have U.S. S&P Services PMI final at 9:45 and U.S. ISM Services PMI at 10. Dakota is looking for shorts. Spring is coming. Alright, folks, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button if you're enjoying the stream. If you're not enjoying the stream, don't feel you need to hit the thumbs up. Nice, Dakota. Good job. Dakota kicking butt this morning early on. Whoa. I just went short and didn't even have time to show my chart. But here you go. You can see it there. Let me blow that up a little bit. Speaking of tactical nukes. No. There you go. You can see I quickly went in at 41.47 half, out at 41.45 half. So there's my winner, $100. Start first trade of the day. Taking that drive down. Thanks, John. Thanks, JC. Ace. Oh, Freighter. That made me laugh. Good morning to you. So 1 for 1 on the morning. Feels good to be green after yesterday's losses. Hanging around 44.45. I'm sorry, 44, 41.45. Ultra bond down to 143.08. Up, still continuing down. I believe it was Mr. G that said everybody that was in long positions that were swing trading should get out. He said that before we had this big move down. Looks like he was right. Copper still falling. Gold. Wow. Hey, I'm not sure Burl's here, but this might be where he wanted. He said he wanted to get down to the low 1900s, and we just dipped under 1900. There's a little bit back above, but quite the drop on gold. Pop it back up there. We'll continue to watch. Wait for our next opportunity. Another dip right back down. So obviously low a day. Here's our hourly. It's the low of yesterday was 41.44. I'm sorry, I lie. 41.36. We are literally there almost. 41.38. And there it is. So we just broke yesterday's lows. Yesterday's lows. That would be some drop. Down into its bands. Dream a little dream. So about 10 minutes from the top of the hour. See where we go from here. Hanging on to 41.36, that low of yesterday basically. Trying to bounce from there. Yep, gold's back under 1900. What a dip. Ooh, silver still fall. Wow, holy Hannah. That's just as big. That's I forget. Let's measure it, and then I'll tell you how much money this candle is right here. $162 ticks times $25 a tick. That's a $4,000 candle. By the way, if anyone ever pays $4,000 for a candle, you're crazy. Pop back up to 41.42. Yeah, scriptwriter is right. I mean, this is not a crash. We're still the low for the week, which was on Tuesday, was 4,007. We're still well over 140 points away, like about 140 points away from that level. So this is just giving back some from FOMC right now. Just a fullback. Good luck on that. Yeah, see ya. So we've had one entry that I didn't really take the entry right here in the actual entry when it bounced off that EMA. It did plop down from there, but I actually took this move here. Hey, Sorum, how you doing? Oh, nice. A win will do that for you. No, just kind of, technically that could have possibly been a trigger there. It was a weak trigger though. Weak, 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 weak. I hate weak triggers. 1 second. I'm gonna be slightly preoccupied. I need to test something. Nice, JC. Awesome. I'll check. Uh, Sorum, you sure it was my Discord? I don't see it. Oh, okay. I don't see a DM either. You don't have a fake ox on your thing, do you? If you're in my Discord, feel free to post it in Trader Talk or in general. Well, still got a +2. Crude oil's breaking up. They say that breaking up is hard to do. Oh yeah, big move up there. Right before crude market opens. New high a day. Breaking up is hard to do. Because breaking up is harder on you. They say that breaking up is hard to do. And they said the bill to you. 75.90. Nice. Script trader, that's awesome. Great job. Awesome. Thank you. Beautiful. There's the top of the hour. We see ES pull back. What's crude doing with its market opening? Ooh, crude pulls back majorly there on its open by 33 ticks. ES also pulling down. So, see if crude bounces. We'll continue that up on ES and crude. Not seeing any trade. Give me a second, guys. I might get a little bit quiet here. I need to send a quick message. Okay, I'm back. Yep, exactly. That's what's been happening with me, Hassan. Getting more and more comfortable. I just still upset with myself that it's taken as long as it has, but getting there, getting there, getting there. We are above the 20, well below the 100, obviously. The 100 is obviously skewed by that huge candle. Morning, Hafiz. How you doing? So, big dip there on crude, but it's trying to bounce back up. Keep an eye on that. Silver's still falling. Gold still falling. Eh, bounced a little. Still back below 1900. Reminder, guys, every now and then we seem to get a little bit of swirling. If it feels like you're not on the, you know, if you have more than like a 2 or 3 second delay, hit that live button to get you back to the live broadcast. That's excellent discipline, John. Excellent discipline. Yeah, it seems like your algo is struggling here lately. Now, this was a trigger candle. Back down. It looks like it would have worked. It would have. It's actually exactly what I look for. Nice little bounce down. Boom. Yeah, gold's been erratic. I mean, this is just insane, this move here on gold. I'm always a leg down. Okay, there's another bounce there on ES. Yep, Dakota's right. Good reminder there. We do have more news today. 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Morning, Carib. Back down. Okay. Now. Hassan, I've thought about that as well, but I am just not willing to give them any money of mine. Sitting here, 41.36. Morning, Avi. So quite the fall. Our high was 41.77, down to 41.36, about 40 points. Because they're very rude. They were very rude to me when they were my sponsor. They wouldn't answer, emails. Uh, they just had an attitude the entire time. Even though I literally brought them $4,000 in sales, and they were just rude to me all the time. Yeah, they're based in Romania. They got upset because I promised them exclusivity, and I gave them. I didn't advertise a single other prop firm, no matter what sales are going on, anything. But they were all upset because that there was still talk on the streams about other prop firms. Like I was supposed to stop everyone from chatting or asking questions about another prop firm. Like I said, I brought them over $4,000 in sales, and once the the sponsorship ended after 1 month, and I brought them another $2,000 off of my links before I took the links down that I never got a cent from affiliate earnings. When I asked about it, they said we only gave you an affiliate link so you could see what kind of traffic you were bringing. Not we didn't. So they never paid me for any additional traffic after the sponsorship ended. No, what? No, let me change that. They did pay me. They did finally, after I think I was complaining on here, they did send me something. It wasn't the amount it should be, but I don't want to say erroneously that they didn't pay me anything. I forgot they did send up a deal account, and they did send me some money, but it still was nothing near what it should have been for affiliate earnings. And they were constant, like I said, they were just constantly rude. And I've heard this from other people now too, not affiliates, but just regular people dealing with their support. The other thing I don't like is they make you do a Trustpilot review before your funded account gets set up. Dakota, I mean, they're a prop firm like anything else, and now they're doing this where you can buy a funded account. Which is just ridiculous in my opinion. That's a cash grab, like I said. I mean, there's like 12 major prop firms in this space, and there's no reason that, in my opinion, to deal with one that's gonna be rude. Hello, Lawrence. I don't recognize your name either, so if you're new, welcome. Glad to have you. That's true. You can amend it. Actually, I didn't even realize that. I've very rarely used Trustpilot. In fact, I think their review might have been the first time I ever used Trustpilot. I don't think I've used it since. But I mean, just to be clear, they pay their traders. They're not a scam or anything. I've never heard of people not getting paid. They paid me, for the sponsorship. So, in the terms of are they going to pay if you trade well and follow their rules? Absolutely. I just think there's at least 10 other prop firms that are better to deal with than them. Thank you, Lawrence. I appreciate that. Say hi from now every now and then. Oh, as I'm ranting here about Tick Tick, this was another trigger. Let's see if it goes to. Let's see if I have missed two now. We'll get them after the bell. I gotta start. Ooh, wrong way. Gotta start. Stop. I gotta stop missing those. I disagree there, Hassan. I bet you it's hitting a lot of people's stops. Wow, look at that go, though. Yeah, he ain't kidding. Silver going to zero. You heard it here first. Sell all your silver jewelry now. It's worth nothing. Gold though is doing the same. Look at gold. You know, Burl doesn't seem to be here today, but he might. I wonder if he's watching this because he wanted a discount on gold, and this is a discount. You can see. I mean, like I said, I don't believe in overbought, oversold with RSI, but you can see how low the RSI is. So hi, that actually did not go 2 points. Not sure. There are two, I know there's two that leave the daily loss on. I forget now if TikTok does that as well. I gotta look. But wait. I think no. I know there's at least one. You Profit leaves the daily loss on forever. I thought there was another one, and I'm not sure now. But yeah, that is definitely a bad thing. I agree. It's so stupid. You could have $20,000 in profit on your account, and you still have a daily loss. And that's actually on my list of that video I plan on doing of the most annoying thing about each prop firm for pure profit, that the daily loss never goes away. You Profit, no one's sure if you ever go live there. No, that's the one I've never figured out. TikTok has no live option at all. They copy your trades. TikTok told me right out when I was asking questions when I was negotiating the sponsorship. I said, is there any live accounts? They said, nope, all sim, 100% sim. But once you show consistency, we copy your trades to the live market. I don't have Take Profit Trader. I've never used them. I have Blue Sky and I have Apex and I have Earn a Trade. Oh, Take Profit Trader. My opinion of them, I don't. I heard bad things, and here's where I don't want to get on a rant here about this, but the other content creator that recently did an interview with them used to tell me he felt like they were a scam and he didn't want to do business with them. I don't. I think they pay. I haven't heard anything bad about them, but I've heard that the owner, or one of the owners, or whatever, has a bad crypto past. This is all secondhand knowledge. I haven't researched it. This is just what I heard, and I do not want anyone to say, "Well, the Ox is saying this, this, and this." This is just my secondhand knowledge. But I was very surprised when that particular content creator suddenly started adding them to his portfolio of companies. Yeah, I mean, I haven't heard anyone not getting paid. I don't like their rules suck. They have a rule where you can't make more than 50 trades in a day, and